Mother of Thousand is a permanent plant and also one of the low maintenance plant. So look at these beautiful baby plants. So watch the video till the end to know about Mother of Thousands tips and tricks. Have you seen the Mother of Thousands plant? This is Mother of Thousands. As you can see, this is the baby plants that are appearing in the leaf, and there are so many. Even in these leaves there are many appearing, and here also. And some plants are really big and they are growing so well. This is being a succulent. They need sunlight. They can tolerate sunlight, and bright medium sunlight will be enough for this plant to grow. And soil should be well draining. And here I have arranged another pot because I'm going to put these baby plants in this new pot. So this plant need the well draining soil for succulents. And when talking about watering, you can water these plants when the top layer of the soil get dried out. And one more thing, do not overwater this plant. You can skip watering. No need to water every day since this is a succulent. And this plant is a bit poisonous for pets like cats, so keep them away from this plant, especially children also. So this information I have gathered from Google, and plant information of course with my personal experience. So I have kept this plant near a window. Now I have brought it outside since I'm going to do this video. So let's put these new baby plants into a new pot now. So remove these baby plants, especially here I'm going to remove them. Here I got one. So you can see the roots are appearing, so you can simply put them to the new pot. And here also I'm going to remove and put them in the new pot. You can just keep them and they will do the needful for themselves. So these are the baby plants arrangements. You can just keep them in a wet soil, or after putting them in a new pot you can spray them. That is how you do it. And even this plant, when watering, when you have kept it indoors, you can spray the plant in the morning. Mother of Thousand is a permanent plant and also one of the low maintenance plant. So look at these beautiful baby plants.